Once again, it's on. Welcome back to the channel, Heat Check Collectibles. Today, we're opening up a box of Fanatics exclusive Prizm. 4 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, and exclusive to this box, or these boxes, are the green ice Prizms. So that's what we're going to be hunting for today. Hopefully we get some decent rooks. If you like what you see here, comment, subscribe. Without further ado, I'm going to get right into it. My man Zion. Let's see here. That's a nice full box. All right, let's get into it. You know, in here you also may get a silver. Hopefully we get some decent rookies. Auto or memo card. Let's see. And already we have a memo in here. Okay, Anthony Simons. Let's see who this is, who our mem card is. Not sure who that is. Let's see. Okay, team doesn't show there. Sorry about that. Team's going to show from the top. Oh, it's numbered. That's nice. Shaq. Wow. A Shaq mem card. Numbered. What's behind him? Oh, Wiseman Instant Impact. Okay. Let's take a look at that Shaq. Ooh. Clean. So you have green, ice, Shaq, mem card, numbered 14 out of 56. Starting off with some heat. That's what I like. Let's protect this Shaq card. Starting off with some heat. Yeah, I know. You know what? Bear with me. I'm going to do like some of the other guys do. Shouts to Pac-Man. Cut this sleeve so that I don't have to struggle and possibly damage the corners. All right, come on. There you go. Struggling. Maybe I need a different sleeve. Okay, I'm struggling. Whew. All right. Don't want to mess this bad boy up. Shaq. All right. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Put that one there. Wiseman. Nice. And Kendrick Nunn. All right. Wow. Took a while to get through that first pack. I mean, I guess I was just so surprised with seeing Shaq. A numbered Shaq. Very nice. All right. Let's see what we have here. KD. Okay, another green. Okay. Maybe I have one of those exclusive boxes. Jaren Jackson Jr. Okay, not a rookie. Let's see who you are. Covington. All right. And what do we have back here? This is a rookie. Okay, Killian Hayes. All right. It's getting fun. Okay, another green. Do you get one in every pack? Maybe. Robert Covington. Again. Steven Adams. Screen's not a rookie. Wendell Carter Jr. Second year. And this is a rookie. Bane. Patty Mills. Wesley Matthews. Rookie. Who's that? Najee? Yep, Zeke Najee. And another rook. Skylar Mays. Okay. Chris Middleton. Jeremy Grant. PG. Rookie. CJ Ellaby. Cooling off. Let's see. See if we can get some more heat. Let's see, who's this? DiVincenzo. Chris Dunn. Silver. Rookie. Who's this? Vassell? Let's see. Oh! Silver Rookie Ant-Man. Now that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so far, this is a decent product. Look at that. All right. And who's behind you? Okay, Miles Turner. Woo! Clean. I mean, centering out. Woo, yeah. Okay, a little heavy on the right, but that's what I'm talking about. This is the box right here. All right. Let's keep it going. Halfway done. Let's keep this fire coming. If you like what you're seeing, like, comment, subscribe. Okay, looks like we have a second silver here. Schroeder. Not a rookie. Okay. Shabazz Napier. And who's back there? Shabazz. Let's see. Oh, come on. Wiseman base. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Even this is the best box that I've opened so far. Wiseman base. And I was a little worried. I haven't seen many people rip a box like this on YouTube. And even with, man, I'm speechless. What I was going to say is I paid resale price for this. You know, you can't find anything retail these days. But I paid resale price. I'm not disappointed. Not disappointed. And we have 5 packs to go. We almost only halfway done. All right. Stop talking. More fire. Clint Capella. Second year Zion. Nice. Okay, here's our next green. Not a rookie. Jared Allen. Darius Garland. I mean, second year Darius Garland, too. All right. Ooh. That ant. Silver. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Looks like we're cooling off here. Julius Randle. I mean, he's hot. But we're cooling off. Okay. Jalen Smith, Emergent. DeMar. No, silver. 3 packs left. Thanks for hanging in there with me, guys. This has been fantastic. Oh. TJ Warren, Mike Conley, Isaiah Stewart. Who's behind you? Another rookie? Cassius Stanley. All right. All right. Let's put him right here. Dwayne Bacon. Otto Porter Jr., another silver. Not a rookie. Rudy Gay. Okay. Rudy Gay and Joe Ingles. Last pack. Let's see what we got. Okay. Have another green in there. Jeremy Lamb. Jokic. Is he the MVP? Hope my man Embiid is. It's not a rookie, this green. DiVincenzo. And who's at the back? Might as well give us a LaMelo base. I mean, come on. Luke Kennard. Wow. All right. Oh. Base cards dropping. Let's take a quick look at what we got here. Man, this box was packed. Green DiVincenzo. Silver Rudy Gay. Cassius Stanley. Isaiah Stewart. Emergent Jalen Smith. Second year Garland. Jared Allen. Second year Zion. Shabazz Napier Silver. Dominance PG. CJ Ellaby. Zeke Naji. Skylar Mays. Desmond Bain. I mean, some of these I should have sleeved. Wendell Carter. Killian Hayes. Green Robert Covington. And Instant Impact James Wiseman. But check these out here. This was a box. Again, Heat Check Collectibles. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know. Till next time. Peace.